get in or whatever, lift it right up. So obviously if it's lifted right up, it just means you can go through much deeper rivers, much deeper snow, all that sort of stuff. So because it's air suspension, it's trying to compensate all the time to keep the car level, which is what it's going to do over these ramps. It's going to try and keep the car as level as possible. So in the old days when we did this, when I say the old days, this time last year, we had to do this without cameras, and you can see I can't see that that ramp, but look, if I look on the camera there it is right there. So I can watch the front wheel roll over that. Really, really good for off-road. So you'll see if you look underneath these cars, they're covered in mud. We had these off-road, and this is really, really useful for going through forests and that sort of thing. So now this suspension is showing that it's doing all that adjustment. I'm going to get a bit of wheel spin here. It's just showing a little bit of wheel spin, and now it's transferring that power to the wheels that have got some loading and some grip. There you go, that just has that for a gentle touchdown. Okay. So all we're going to do now is just put a little bit more gas on, and it just walks its way over, really. So without that centre differential, without all that traction, we'd be wheels spinning and making a huge fuss.
So this is a four-wheel, right?
Yes, absolutely. It's an old-fashioned type four-wheel with a proper centre differential, which most SUVs don't have. So it just means you can go so many more slippery places, you know. So here we've got a 33-degree slope, and it's the old story. If we started from way back there and got a run up, we could get this up easily. So we make it hard for it by starting right at the very bottom and just squeezing just enough power to get it up here. So it's only going to have to go just over idle speed. So there we go, just idling it up almost, just squeezing a tiny bit of power. Makes it easy.
Amazing.
There we go, we just park it there. If I take my foot off the brake, it locks and holds for a little while. It's got that hill hold assist. Just means on a steep slope it's not going to roll back into the traffic behind you with a big trailer on or something. And then we're going to use the hill descent to get us down, which is an off-road thing. Hey, yes, yeah, so you can see in the camera what's coming up. We've got a 40-degree slope to get down. We can actually drive up that slope, and often we do. We go both ways, but today we're just going to one run around. But it's a 40 degrees makes a big difference over 30. So, all right. Okay. So I've asked it to go down here at under 5 kilometres an hour, and all I have to do is take my foot off the brake and just.
Oh my God!
It goes down on its own.
Oh man! You make it dizzy?
No, yeah, it's scarier going up. Believe me, even for us, we think, ooh, this is pretty steep.
Jeez.
So